Hello, I'm Tamar Jamison of Let's Talk Black Business. And you may or may not be aware that there's a black-owned laundry detergent brand. The name of it is True, and in today's video, we're going to compare that against another well-known brand, Tide. So here's our contenders. We got True on the left and Tide on the right. As you can see, True detergent is concentrated 4 times as much as your normal laundry detergent. And the Tide we're using has a bleach alternative in it, and we'll just use a normal amount there. So what we're gonna do is simulate that we're at a cookout, we're at a barbecue, you got your fresh white tee on, the music's blasting, the sun is shining, you spill a little ketchup on your shirt, you're still eating, you got a little mustard, you got a little hot sauce on there, and it's kind of globbed up, so you try to wipe it out and just end up making a bigger mess. You kind of move it around in there, and next thing you know, you got stains on your shirts and your barbecue is ruined. So now you get back to the house, you want to throw them in the washer, you grab your True detergent, you put just a little bit in there because it is so concentrated. You don't need a lot. As you can see, little amount needed. We'll go ahead and toss that into the washer. Using the recommended cycle on the back of the detergent. Let the wash machine do its thing. We'll speed this up a little bit so that you don't have to wash this entire cycle. But we'll see how True fares out when we bring our shirt out. Get a nice little display here, see what our True detergent did. You can see we got a little bit of ketchup showing, mustard, and hot sauce. See what the stains look like there. So now we're going to try our Tide detergent, see how that's going to fare well against our same spillage at the cookout or at the barbecue. Again, we got a little bit of ketchup. We're going to do a little bit of mustard, and then we're going to rub that in just a little bit and put a little hot sauce on there so that our comparison can be equal, using a teaspoon each. That way we're comparing apples to apples. Now let's go ahead and put the Tide detergent in. Because it is regular concentrate, we got to do a lot more. As you can see, about 4 times as much detergent is needed on the Tide versus the True detergent. And when we look at the results, actually very similar. You can see very faint ketchup stain. You still got mustard, you still have some hot sauce, with the True being on the left, Tide being on the right. And now for the moment that you've been waiting for, True laundry detergent is Black Fist certified. Now, Black Fist certified means that the product has exceeded my expectations, and True has done just that. Even though it looked like they were comparable when it came to their cleaning power, you get a better value with True because True retails for $14.99, whereas Tide retails for $17.99. So not only do you use less, but you pay less to get a more concentrated product. And actually, since the filming of this video, True has come out with a brand new packaging. I had a chance to meet the owners at my local Ace Hardware when they were releasing this product in stores. Had a chance to ask them why they went to this packaging. They told me that it was biodegradable, a lot easier to recycle, and it also comes with this nice measuring cup, because what they had found in their earlier research was that people were putting too much product into their washing machines. Because this is so concentrated, you have to put a very little amount of detergent in there, and now this handy measuring cup that's attached to the packaging lets you know exactly how much to put in there. And you can click the link below to order your True product today. And always remember to be conscious and deliberate about spending your money in the Black community.